Uncover winter weather. What kind of secrets hide under the snow and ice? There's a whole lot we can learn about winter weather. As you read, think about the things winter weather can do. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of the Scholastic News. Wondering about the weather? We answer some tricky winter weather questions. How are snowflakes made? Snowflakes start in a cloud. A cloud is made of tiny droplets of water. When the air gets cold, droplets freeze onto little pieces of dust and turn into ice crystals. The crystals fall through the cold air. They grow bigger as they fall. They are snowflakes. Snowflakes grow as they fall. Each one looks different. Why can you see your breath on a cold day? Your breath is warm and damp. When you breathe out, it goes into the air. Most of the time, your breath is invisible. But when the air outside is cold, your warm, damp breath condenses. That means it turns into tiny droplets of water. The droplets make a little cloud that you can see in the cold air. Is snow always white? No! Snowflakes are tiny pieces of ice. They are clear, like an ice cube. But most of the time, snow looks white. That's because of the way light bounces off it. Sometimes snow can be a different color. In some places, tiny plants called algae grow under the snow. This kind of algae is red, and it makes the snow look pink. This pink snow is in the country of Italy. Where can you find ice in the winter? Ponds and puddles aren't the only things that freeze over in the winter. Cars can get covered in ice too. One winter day, someone parked this car near a lake. Strong wind blew on the lake and sent droplets of water into the air. Some water landed on the car and froze. The car became a carsicle.
Dance break!
Let's do a snowman dance. Wave your stick arms. Shiver. Shiver up and shiver down. Now bounce around. Let's dance one more time. Let's do a snowman dance. Wave your stick arms. Shiver. Shiver up and shiver down. Now bounce around.
What's the winter weather? Some places are cold and icy in the winter, but some places have different winter weather. Look at the map to see what the weather was like one winter day. So here's a map of the United States, and it says United States weather map. And here is our map key. This little snowflake means snow. The purple curly lines mean cold wind. This little sun and cloud with rain means warm rain. And the sun sign means sun. Okay, so take a look at the map. Look at all of those symbols. Okay, now we're going to answer the questions. Question 1. How many states had cold wind? So look at the key, which one is cold wind, and count up how many you see on the map. Is it 2, 3, or 5? Question 2. What was the weather in Maine? So look on the map, find the state Maine. Here's a giant hint, it's up here. And what was the weather? Is it snow, cold wind, or warm rain? Question 3. Which of these states had warm rain? So look at the key, which one is warm rain? Located on the map. Is it the state of Florida? That's here. Is it the state of Idaho? That one's here. Or is it the state of Utah? Which is here. Which state had warm rain? Florida, Idaho, or Utah? Question 4. How many states altogether had warm rain or sun? So look at the key for warm rain and for sun. Count them all up. How many states had it all together? 2, 3, or 4?
What do you know about snow? It's cold. It looks white. It can be fun to play with. You can slide on snow. You can sled on snow. You can go really cool formation with snow. Like this upside down snowman. Or this amazing snowstorm. On the ground, snow can be dry
snow? Talk about it. See you soon.
Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, and date on the line. Cool facts about winter weather. Most snowflakes have 6 sides. For each of this snowflake's 6 sides, write a fact about winter weather. So you're going to use your Scholastic News and use the snow video that just played and find 6 facts. So you're going to write one fact here, another fact here, another fact here, etc., etc. Okay? Write in full sentences. Don't just say white. You need to say a full sentence. One fact about snow is it is white. Okay? Can't wait to see which 6 snow facts you pick.